Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing Pursuit plus Sledger with support. We're not using Commander, Farm, or DJ though, and we're using Mini for Hidden. So let's get right into the video. Why is it called game? And we're gonna do molten mode. You can also do this too, but you just need these 3 towers: Pursuit, Sledger, and Minigunner. First you place a Sledger and then you upgrade it to level 1. You're gonna want a Minigunner by wave 9, I'd say. No, 10. Yeah, 10. At least by wave 10. Press skip. Don't upgrade it. Normal. That's 8 HP. So you should have 2 normals at least getting past. If you place the Sledger in the wrong place, that's fine. Once you get enough money, I think you should just sell it and place it over here. I was kind of thinking of placing it over there, but now you want to upgrade that to level 2. And you don't know, also if you do this video, you might lose because like the mystery bosses are the mysteries because you actually never know what's inside them. So it could be like all bosses and they could all go in your base and maybe like lose. But right here you're gonna want to place another one right here. And I think you need 600 cash. You're gonna need 600 cash. If you don't have enough, so you go down. So you technically have to go to the tower defense. So you don't press play. You go down one. You go to developer or whatever. You press that. You press join group. Then you start with 600 cash. And also, you might lose some health to the speedies. You place another Sledger and upgrade it to level 2. And also, this is a solo strategy, but if it's a duo or whatever, a trio, it's fun, but yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna win or lose. I tried this on Rocket Arena with only Pursuit and I lost, But this is with Sledger, so it's kind of different. Because, yeah. And if you do, and I once did it only pursuit on Polluted, I don't think you should do that because Polluted, the pursuit, yeah, the boss goes around a bunch of times, but the pursuit doesn't have enough time to attack the Molten boss and do damage. So yeah, and once you upgrade that Sledger, this one, right here to level 2, save for a minigunner for hidden detection. Because Sledger doesn't have hidden, but once I get 1 Pursuit max, I'm going to sell the minis. Because Pursuit has hidden at level 5. And it doesn't have it at like level 1, 2, 3, 5. I don't know. But it does actually have it at level 5 though. This is a duo you're doing. Equip the same towers. Someone place 4 Sledgers, level 2. Then the other places a mini. Right here. And then you get it to level 2. Then the other person's gonna want to place some Sledgers. So right now you're gonna want to place that mini right here. Upgrade it to level 1. That boss will probably die to the mini. I haven't tried to challenge yet, but so it's probably gonna die by the mini. You can skip. Up, but upgrade that mini to level 2. You're gonna want him to target the normal boss right here, because if they get past the Sledgers, it says they have 2 max hits, which means they'll hit both of them. So it's fine. Do not skip. So yeah, the normal boss might get past. So next you're gonna want to place a Sledger. And also, this video is probably gonna include some stacking. If you don't know what stacking is placing towers like very close to each other. Like, say I place a mini right here. Stacking is placing it like right here. That's what stacking is. It's not called hacking. Some people have done stacking and it's pretty hard, I'd say. And you're gonna want at least 4 or 5 minis. No, 6 minis for the hidden boss on wave 24. Make sure all your towers are on first, so they don't target different enemies. Because if they were on strongest, they'd be targeting the normal bosses, and the hiddens would just go right past and go into your base. To get that, you're gonna skip, and you're gonna place another mini. And upgrade it to level 1. He has done 600. Wow, that's a lot of damage. So by now you're gonna want to skip. when you would place a pursuit. If you get like all normal bosses, I'm gonna. It's kind of unlucky. But if you do, that's kind of bad. If you do, instead of upgrading that pursuit, place another one. Cause I just upgraded that pursuit because I only got one normal boss. Right here, you're gonna want to place another pursuit. Should have used Commander, but I decided I didn't. I don't know why. You don't want to upgrade. Oh, I can't. I thought he was level 2. Well, those normal. If you go to Mystery's normal bot, and you want to place another pursuit. Not upgraded. So don't skip. And that necromancer is gonna die, so yeah, I've upgraded him. Wish I could commander. Oh, dang it. You're gonna want to place another minigunner. Right. This will involve, also I forgot to mention, this is involving stacking with minigunner. Nothing else. Just minigunner. And you might want to keep the minigunners, even though I said I'm probably going to sell them when I got 1 pursuit max. I'm not actually going to do that. Upgrade him. Wild thought then just if you're doing normal, I wouldn't do that. It's mountain, and if you did normal, you'd be on the speed. You don't even really need to upgrade those sledgers to wave 30. 84 more to play. Okay. What is he? Let's see. Your pursuits and sledger may be able to kill him. I don't know yet. Also, I forgot to mention, don't skip. Wave 23, next wave. It's the whatever boss, the hidden boss. If you're a person who doesn't have Sledger and you can't do this strategy, I may do a video with using Freezer. I might. I don't know though. Freezer is pretty bad. Plus it won't do any damage. So you're probably gonna lose a lot of health if I use Freezer. So I'm probably not going to do a freezer vid.